ดี
สวัสดี
ค่ะ
ครับ
วันนี้เราสองคนจะมาสาธิตวิธีการทำสเปรย์สำหรับทำความสะอาดนะคะ
If you're like us, you went to the store just a little bit too late. With limited supplies of toilet paper and cleaning supplies, we finally heard from a friend of ours who gave us a recipe for a multi-purpose spray that uses distilled water, specifically distilled white vinegar. And now we're going to show you how to make it. So we have distilled white vinegar, distilled water, a measuring cup, 2 8-ounce spray bottles, a Sharpie, and some essential oils for the scent.
I want to help.
Yes, you are. You can help, Joe.
How do we do that?
All right, it's time to get to work. Let's roll our sleeves up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I like pink.
So we're going to add 1 cup of distilled vinegar. Yes.
It's a big bottle.
It's a very big bottle with it. This is serious business. So now we're going to pour half or 4 ounces of the distilled vinegar into our first bottle. If you're using a bottle that is 16 ounces, then you can pour the full cup into the 16-ounce bottle. You ready, Joe?
Yeah.
Okay, help me. Ready. So we're just gonna carefully pour it in until we hit the 4-ounce mark. Is it there?
Yeah.
How's that look, Joe? All right, now we're gonna pour the remainder of the distilled white vinegar into our second bottle. We're going to add 1 cup of distilled water into the measuring cup. Is it there? Okay, ready? Let's pour very slowly. We're going to pour up until we hit the 8 we put into the cup. Yeah, this one doesn't have a flat thing. You are correct. Okay, help me. Go. Now we gotta make it smell good. So we're gonna put 10 drops of lavender into 1 bottle and 10 drops of purification. Now these are just different essential orders. Essential oils. Okay, so
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
can you count in Thai?
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Now let's go ahead and put the caps with the sprayer on top. Back on. One thing we want to be careful of is because this looks like water, but it's not. We write on the bottle that this is a multi-purpose cleaner. Give it a quick shake to mix everything together, and now we're ready to clean. Nice, the essential oil masks the white vinegar smell very well.